Good morning, guys. Tony Padilla here, founder and CEO of Solariq Solar Consulting. We're out here in Fresno today at one of my installs. This system is a 3.24 kilowatt size system. It's not a big system, it's 8 panels, but it doesn't matter. Every homeowner is important. So this specific system, it comes with 8 panels with one 5P N-phase battery. It's got the microinverters on top, which is very efficient. If one panel goes down, the entire system keeps functioning. It's just that one panel that doesn't operate. Something specific about this homeowner is that he wanted to inspect the racking before we put the panels on. Our crew was able to accommodate that. They got off the roof so that way the homeowner can get on top and inspect the racking, and then we were able to put the panels on. Everybody was happy, homeowner was happy. Conduit was ran through the attic, so that way it's just a nice clean look. And then it goes directly into the combiner box, and that's it. No ugly conduit running on the top of the roof or anything like that. Homeowner also asked that I print his contract in paper because these do come in DocuSign through email, but this specific homeowner wanted his printed out. I was able to accommodate that for him. If you have any questions or would like to get a quote, feel free to reach out to us. We are Solariq Solar Consulting.